Hi everyone. So I'm Dr. Ankit Jha, and very recently on Facebook, there was a discussion going on about managing patients and their data. Which software is the best to be used for patient management, for management of the finances of the clinic, and all that. So I gave a simple tip that I use Google Forms and the response sheet that comes with it. So that is very convenient for me to calculate the expenses of the clinic and everything. So a few people asked me to make a video about how to do it and what is the best possible way, how I do it, and how they can make a form, how they can use it in the phone and everything. So I'm making this short video for that only. So in this basically, for making the form, you need to be on your laptop. But once your form is there, once your response sheet has been generated, then you can use it from the phone also. So in the end, I've shown that as well. So for making the form, first you need to open your Gmail, then you need to open your Google Drive. Then after you've opened your Google Drive, you need to click on this new and then click on this Google Forms and then select a blank form. So in this, the title you can give as the name of your clinic. Let's say Smile Dental Clinic. Then in the description, either you can keep it empty or you can write anything that you want. Then in the first question, usually I have the date first. And for the date, I don't keep the date, I keep a short answer option because then I don't need to select the entire date. I can just write the number, maybe it's the first, second, third, fourth. I don't need to specify it because there's already a timestamp about which date you're doing the entry. So once you're done with the first question, then you come on to the second question. Then what I usually do is I write the income as in the source of income, as in which patient was there, the name of the treatment and all those things. Again, the short answer. Then next question I keep as the amount. And again, the short answer. Then expenditure. Suppose if the lab bill is there, if suppose you bought something and you want to enter that, then again the amount for that. So for me, this is a very simple form, a very simple format where I just enter the name of the patient, the amount that I get, the expenditure in that particular patient or any other patient, and that's about it. So once you're done with this, here you can customize the color according to you, the background color. If you want to have an image that you want to keep as the background, like I have chosen the image for my clinic. So I can either upload any of my pictures, any of my logos, or select any one of the themes that are given here. I can do that so it just looks a little better. That's entirely up to you because this form and this response sheet is going to be with you only. Nobody else is going to have access to it unless and until you give it to them. So once you are done with this, you can have a short preview. This is how your form will look like. The date, income, the amount, the expenditure, everything is there. Then once you're done with this, you come on to the responses, and in the responses you will create a spreadsheet and you can keep it as clinic expenses responses. So the next thing that you need to do is that copy both these links. So this is the first link. So this is going to be your link for the form that you can save somewhere in your phone. You can start it in your WhatsApp. And every time that you open it, this form is going to come up. Same thing for this. You can either copy this and open it anywhere that you like, or if you come to the Google Drive, you will anyway get the form. Like this is my Google Drive, and somewhere here I must be getting the form. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can start doing your entries. Say today is the 3rd of April. You can write April, or you can just write the 3rd. Then Raghav, patient, RCT open. Amount you can write as 1000 or anything that you want, and then you can submit it. Then you have another patient that you have given the crown. Again, you can write today's date. Say crown amount is 10,000. Expenditure will be the lab cost, and then the expenditure you can write as 3,000 and you can submit it. So the beauty of the form is that when you open this up, you will see that all of that you have entered, it keeps on getting added under the same section, the date, income, amount, expenditure, amount. So what you can do in the end is you can calculate directly from here itself. So I'll show you all that from the phone, how you can do it easily in the phone. But this is how it is going to come to you. You need to keep it completely private. This form, nobody will have it unless and until you send it to them. And the link also, either you can have it, you can send it to your junior doctors, you can send it to your receptionist, whoever is keeping track of the payments, the expenses, anything of that sort. You can just go there, you can send it to them, and they can do the entries, and you can see the form, the spreadsheet later on at night or whenever you want, at your convenience, at the end of the month, at the end of the week. That's completely up to you. This form can be completely customized. You can add any number of questions, any number of answers, and you can customize it according to you. So now I'm on my phone, and in this I just need to download the Google Drive app, and this is the form and the expenses result below that. So I'll open the browser, select the link that I had already created earlier. Now suppose if I want to do another entry, so I select the date for yesterday, and maybe there's no income, I just want to add an expenditure, gloves, and 500. They're quite expensive these days. So you click on submit. Once you've submitted, if you want to add multiple entries, you can do that as well. But once you've submitted and you want to check the result, the responses, so now you come back to the form, and here you have added the gloves, the lab, and all those results that were there. Now if you want to add it, you just select this and you drag it. So this will give you the entire sum at the lower bottom of the screen. So you've done an entry of 11,000, income 11,000 till now. Then you can come to the expenses, and the expenses that you've incurred in whichever entries that you've done has been 3,500. So you can very easily calculate the profit, and that's about it. And then here you can see the timestamp as well, and any date that you do the entry, the time, the date, everything will be there of when you've done the entry, and that's how you can manage the expenses. If you have a new clinic, you definitely should try it. And if you're already using any patient management software, it's up to you. You can continue using that if you're comfortable with that. I am already using Practo, I'm already using Dr. Click, but I find this to be the most easiest and the most convenient way of managing my expenses. All the patient data, patient entry, all the pictures and everything I upload there mostly. Otherwise I upload them also on Google Drive. I'll make a separate video of how to manage the patient data with Google Drive, but that's about it. That's how you create a form, that's how you create the responses, and that's how you use it on a daily basis. So if you have any comments, if you have any questions regarding this, you can put down in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thank you.